really excited to continue the partnership with MCA Connect, who is our winner of Partner of the Year here in the US for business applications.
MCA has a lot of experience with discrete manufacturing, and so when we talk to MCA about problems we're trying to solve, they likely have had those problems come up with other customers.
When it's manufacturing, we know that MCA Connect is a great partner for us to work with.
MCA is one of the best partners we work with.
100% always available.
An extension of our team.
As a resource and a partner.
Best practices and ideas.
Industry expertise.
It was almost as if they were part of the Andis team.
Working with MCA Connect has been a true partnership. There's puts and takes, gives and gets, but in the long run, both MCA Connect and Microsoft like to put our customers at the center, and MCA Connect always comes with that point of view.
I would recommend MCA for anyone in manufacturing that has struggled to figure out what their losses are, if there's a bottleneck, if they have lagging data.
The differentiation from an industry perspective is second to none. MCA Connect's industry expertise in lean manufacturing is above and beyond every other partner in the market.
MCA gives us an experienced resource pool that allows us to scale projects. We're excited about working with them on emerging technologies.
I'm really excited for the continued expansion of MCA Connect's focus on data and AI. Data ends up being at the core of everything that we do, and with MCA Connect taking a data-first point of view, that's really going to be the foundation not only for business applications, but also for adopting AI, customers driving the most value out of their investments with Microsoft.
MCA have been really instrumental in changing our workflows and our processes to be able to get the data to the right people at the right time with the right level of detail.
They're incredibly great to work with. They understand the Microsoft process. They understand how our teams work.
The industry expertise that MCA Connect brings to every opportunity is it's differentiating for us when it comes to partners.
I'm thrilled to be working with MCA Connect as the most outstanding business applications partner for the year at Microsoft, and looking forward to many more years of success.